Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. We won't stop building. That's the word from First Rock Group CEO Ryan Reed. He says despite critique that real estate supply is outstripping demand, his company continues to do well. He was speaking at Mayberry's Virtual Investor Forum yesterday. Andrew Laidley has the details.
Construction. It's one of the industries which appears to be insulated from the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic, and real estate developers are taking full advantage of the favorable circumstances, evidenced by new housing and commercial buildings going up across the island. But critics argue that developers are building more than they can sell, especially since aspiring homeowners are searching for the most affordable option given the recession. But Mr. Reed says he hasn't witnessed any oversupply in the market.
There is the talk of oversupply within the apartment space.
Okay.
From a take-up standpoint, we're not seeing it.
Okay.
And you know, or at least not seeing it to any extent that will cause us concern.
He says the strong support from lenders is a major contributing factor to the buoyancy being displayed by real estate developers.
Our banking sector is so active within the space, and that gives, that provides the sort of comfort as developers and as practitioners within the space that whenever we develop a product, whenever we bring something to market, the take-up will be there.
Right.
Until that changes, that's how we need to proceed. Right.
However, the Planning Institute of Jamaica noted earlier this week that the value of mortgages disbursed by the NHT declined 12.3% in the third quarter of 2020. Notwithstanding, he argued that the players in the construction industry continue to enjoy good business.
When you think of construction companies, when you think of hardware stores, when you think of real estate agents, I mean just every single practitioner within the sector, they are still able to enjoy buoyant activities within the sector because financial institutions are still very much willing to offer credit to persons who are willing to purchase homes or even commercial space.
The PIOJ also reported that the construction industry grew 6.2% between October to December 2020. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $151.54. The Canadian dollar sold for $121.55. The pound is going for $213.22, while the euro ended the day at $189.03. We go on to the stock market where the JSE index gained 15 points today and the junior market index is up 1 point. Among the winners were iCreate, Siboney Group, JMMB Group 7%, Knutsford Express and Palace Amusement. On the losing side, Key Insurance, Portland JSX, CAC 2000, T-Tech and CNWJ Cooperative Credit Union. And that's the business day. News from overseas after the break.